Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. And today I've collected new wheels. They're 3-piece rims and we'll talk more about it later. Now I'm heading into the tire shop to put tires, and at the moment I have temporary wheels. I have wheels that my friend Mohammed lent me. So yeah, just gonna put the new wheels and then we'll head to Mohammed's shop and I'll see you at the tire shop. So we reached the tire shop. These are temporary wheels I've got from Mohammed. This is recommended for competition events only. So they're quite uncomfortable to drive on the road, but it was fine for just 2 days. And I have here the sets of the fronts of the SSR, and they've been refurbished, so the lip is quite nice around, painted white the face and gold bolts. They're quite in a bad shape before. Honestly, at the moment the paint job is not the best, as you can see here. We'll try to get them redone, maybe while I'm in Japan, because they needed some blasting, and the place where I went to get the tires done, like the wheels, it was the same guy that sold them to me, but they didn't send them for some blasting. So I think that's what I'm gonna do in the future. For the moment it's like not bad, like in general all over the face of the rim is fine, but yeah, like around where there are the bolts, I think there was a bit too much paint. So yeah, that's the only OCD that I have. Overall they're not bad, actually. They came out quite nice. So the front, the width is 8 inches and all four are 18 inches, the tire, the wheels I mean. And at the back we have these ones that are like 9 inches width. Should look quite mint. Hopefully the fitment is as expected. That's the thing I care the most. And then ready to shred. One small thing that happened was the valet parking at the hotel. And yeah, there was like this little damage that I will fix it. It's nothing big, it's just annoying because it was all new, but what to do, it happens, it can always be fixed, so it's fine. It is what it is. And I'm just waiting for the cars inside to be done, and we can bring the car inside and change wheels. Now the car is on the lift. We'll go up very soon, trying to fit below the body kit the stuff that seems like here they can make it work. Usually in other shops they're like, their lifts are not low enough, but this one seems pretty okay, because I think here they also change tires to sports cars, so probably that's why it's quite low. And yeah, quite excited to see how the new wheels will look like. It'll be quite sick. Then we will go the other side. I don't know what's with the flickering. I think it's the light. Yeah, because I think they're like 25 FPS the light, 25 Hertz. Yeah. Oops. Again the light. Anyway, we're gonna go later to take some pictures of the car, and we'll be looking mint. Meanwhile, I'll show you the wheel without the wrap. Quite shiny. So I don't remember if I said it earlier, but these are SSR Vienna Sovereign, and you can see that it shows 18 by 8. These were used that I found in Japan, so I got them for a very good price. and yeah, they're not in the best conditions at the beginning, but now they look quite nice. The front wheels are on. Review of the look. Not bad, not bad. Now, last wheel. And then we can go to take some clips. Nice. Just need some nice cover. A cup, and we're good. So here we go, that's the look of the car. I think it's quite clean, nothing extra, but that's how I wanted it. And so yeah, 9 inches at the back, 8 at the front. Quite nice. I will put now some pictures of how the rims were before. I will put them like here. And yeah, nothing much to say, like just rims that I think they're cool, really, really cool. Yeah, it's quite nice. Then next step will be bigger brakes from LS400 probably, blacked out indicators. Then I will decide if to change this to S2 or just change the lens with a new one, because this one is a bit cracked, and black out the inside. This one for sure will be like blacked out. Still missing the indicator here, but will be an easy fix, just need to find the time to go. And overall, yeah, here's the new look of my car. Not a big difference, just as a first look, but yeah, you can see that there is a difference. Now we'll head to Muhammad's shop and let's see what he thinks about the wheels. We'll give him back his own wheels, the ones that I was running for 2 days. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So I've been to NMK Performance and Muhammad was like going crazy for the rim, so quite happy of that. Yeah, I didn't really film anything because like something crazy happened, and I will explain now. But it was like, damn, I couldn't film. Basically, my friend Ahmad, he was selling his S15 Otec edition, and this guy, the owner of NMK Performance, there is Ahmad Aham, the Red Bull drifter. He offered him an exchange, and he offered his Altezza 2JZ with 500 horsepower R154 in exchange of the Silvia, and he will do also the swap between the engine to put on his Mark II of Ahmad, and plus cash. So honestly, the deal that Ahmad got for his S15 is like insane, and like I'm jealous because it's like crazy. It's a really good deal. So I'll try next days to film the process of the swap and to see what's going to happen, but it's gonna be a wild build, like out of nowhere. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's gonna be so fun. So now it's evening and I'm going to last exit with my friend Fares that we just met. We stopped quickly at the petrol station and now we're heading last exit. Let's see see if you can spot any other JDM car, or I just eat, drink a tea, and then we'll probably get home after that. So keep you posted, and let's see if there is any interesting over there. Sick. The UAE car culture is my friend Fares enjoying his food. So I've been here home editing the video, and I realized that I didn't do an outro for the video. So yeah, it has been quite an interesting journey so far with my car, and we got these wheels that change the look drastically, and it's like crazy, and I love the look. And next video I will go to a car meet, and let's see what's the reaction of my friends and other people around us. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comments what you think about the wheels, and if you like them chrome or with the white, like what you think. And appreciate you very much for reaching the end of the video, and please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. That will help me a lot. And until next time, see you guys. Thank you.